Push your nose upward for 1 minute and see what happens. Lots of people all over the world spend tons of money on cosmetic surgeries to get a perfectly shaped nose. These surgeries are expensive and may have unexpected complications. Unfortunately, very few people know that they can change both the shape of their nose and its length with some really simple exercises. But before you find out everything about this wondrous nose workout, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join us on the bright side of life. 8. Nose shortening. Life is life, and human bodies can't help changing as they age. The bones, muscles, and cartilage of your face bear the brunt of getting older as well. As a result, your facial features may change and your nose may start to look longer. Luckily, this exercise can help to shorten your nose. On top of that, it will prevent the deterioration of the cartilage. Position one of your index fingers on the tip of your nose. You may also gently press it. After that, use your nose to press downward on your finger. Repeat this movement for approximately a minute and as many times a day as you can. Carol Maggio, the creator of Facercise, claims that this exercise will not only make your nose shorter, but will also make your nose look straighter by lifting its drooping tip. There's one more variation of this exercise. Hold the bridge of your nose with your thumb and index finger. Use the index finger of your other hand to push the tip of your nose upward. The main part of this exercise involves your upper lip. You need to apply some force to pull it down. After a couple of seconds, you can release it. This way, the tip of your nose will be repeatedly pressing against your index finger. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times and then relax. Try to do this exercise as often as you can. 7. Nose shaping. This set of exercises is perfect for those who keep complaining about the shape of their nose. Such a workout will help you to sculpt this body part and make it look more elegant. Press the sides of your nose with your index fingers and forcefully breathe out. However, try not to apply too much force while doing this. Another way to shape your nose is to press on it from the sides with your index fingers and start to flare your nostrils. The next exercise mostly builds the muscles around your nose. At the same time, these muscles are crucial if you want to keep your nose in shape. You should start to wiggle your nose while keeping your face completely still. This might turn out to be more difficult than it seems, but it will get easier with time. Do each of these exercises for 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you do this nose workout regularly, the chances are high that your nose will become more sculpted. Besides, such exercises are extremely effective if you want to protect your nose from sagging. 6. Slimming down your nose. If you want to make your nose slimmer, this simple exercise will help you out. It's kind of a variation of the previous workout. First of all, shape your mouth in the form of an O. Press your nostrils with your index fingers, but don't block the passage of air completely. You need to be able to breathe through your nose. Start to take deep breaths. Flare your nostrils while you're doing this. You should repeat this workout several times a day if you want to see results quickly. 5. Nose sharpening. If you aren't happy with how sharp your nose is, you can try this exercise. Position your thumb and index finger on the sides of your nose. With their help, start to push your nose upward. If you want this exercise to work properly, you need to smile while doing it. Try to repeat this movement 20 to 30 times a day to reach the best results. By smiling and pulling your nose upward, you will train and build the muscles on the sides of your nose. This prevents sagging and therefore makes the shape of your nose sharper. 4. Breathing exercises to keep your nose in shape. If you've ever had a serious gym workout or tried yoga, you know that the way you breathe is extremely important. Deep breaths can help you do exercises in the most efficient way, but inhaling and exhaling deeply can also help you shape your nose. Sit down comfortably and relax. Block one of your nostrils and inhale through the other one. Breathe in to a count of 3 and hold the air inside for a count of 1. Now, change sides. Block the second nostril and take a deep breath through the one that was closed off before. You can try to make this exercise more complicated. To do this, exhale for twice as long as you inhale. This means that you need to exhale for a count of 8. If this is too hard at the moment, try to inhale for a count of 3 and exhale for a count of 6. Do 3 sets of this nose workout for the best results. Each set should consist of 10 repetitions. 3. Making your nose more narrow. To make your nose more narrow, you should try a nose massage. With the help of your index fingers, begin to massage your nose. Start from the bridge of your nose and move toward its tip. At the end, massage the sides of your nose. Remember that your fingers should make careful circular movements. You will see the best results if you massage your nose for 5 minutes every day. You can split this time into several shorter sessions, but the main thing is to do this exercise regularly. 2. Making your nose look more refined. Position your middle fingers near the inside corners of your eyes. Your ring finger should be placed on the sides of your nose, right beside your middle fingers. Now, wrinkle your nose. You're supposed to feel how the muscles in this area tense under your fingers. Start to smooth out the wrinkles by moving your fingers down the sides of your nose. You shouldn't stop wrinkling your nose, the muscles there should be tense. Repeat this exercise at least 10 times. 1. Eliminating smile lines around your nose. There are 2 lines that run from the sides of your nose to the corners of your mouth. These lines have the official name of nasolabial folds, but most people call them smile lines. These lines tend to get deeper as you grow older. Unfortunately, it doesn't look particularly nice, but you can get rid of these lines with the help of the following exercise. First of all, fill your mouth with air, like a balloon. After that, move the air in your mouth in all directions. Every time you move the air in a new direction, keep it there for several seconds. Continue doing this for 30 seconds to 1 minute and then release the air. And here's one more exercise that will help you train your facial muscles and improve the state of your smile lines. Place both your right and left index and middle fingers on the sides of your mouth. Pull your fingers upward. Try to be as gentle as possible. Your goal is to stretch your skin in the direction of your temples. Hold this stretch and pucker your lips as if you're pouting. Hold the pout and the stretch for about 10 seconds. Repeat this exercise 10 times. If you do these exercises several times a day, for example, in the morning and evening, you'll see results pretty soon. You should remember that these exercises won't replace the immediate effect of surgery. The results from your workouts may seem subtle at first. Your reflection in the mirror will still look like you, but your nose will have a better shape and your face will look more toned. And don't forget that the more often you do these exercises, the more effective they are. Have you ever tried to do a nose workout? If so, tell us about your experience and results in the comments section below. Remember to give us a like, share this video with your friends, and hit the subscription button to join us on the bright side of life.